Hello children, let me start this video by telling you this some fact. Okay, do you know there are around 7 million people in the world die due to the food poisoning. Yes, when we don't keep the food in a proper storage way, if we are lost, if we are eating a waste food also, we don't know whether it is waste or whether it is good or not. If you are eating like this, no, it will goes to your stomach and it will create some disease only. So whenever you eat your food, just to see whether the food is good or not. Okay, whether the food is clean or not, because some food we may show you it may clean, but it may have some bacteria. So careful eating is very necessary, and also eat the healthy food only. Avoid junk food. Instead of preferring the junk food, you should prefer the healthy food only. Okay, and there are a lot of people, we don't know who they are, but there are a lot of people, they are dying due to the hungriness only, lack of food. Due to the lack of food, they are dying every year. So just keep in your mind that we should not waste our food. Okay, because there are a lot of people who want food but they don't get any food. So don't waste food, eat healthy foods and keep your body healthy. Okay, so let's start learning about a new topic today. So today we are going to learn about the linking words. Linking words, in other words I can say conjunction. What is the topic? Yes, conjunction. Okay, so conjunction means what? In class 3 you may be learning in terms of linking words only. So linking words and conjunction, they both are same only. What does it do? It is used to join words. It is used to join words. Join two words or two or more words. A group of words. Group of words leads to become a sentences, right? It is used to join two sentences, two words or group of words only. So that is why joining, in other term I can say like linking. Linking means joining only. Okay. So when a word help us to join two words, a group of words or two sentences, no, those words are conjunctions only, or we can also say like linking words, that is connecting words. It has lot of name like linking words, conjunction and also joining words also we can say. So what does the linking words do or the conjunction do? Yes, it is help us to join the words, join two words or two sentences or a group of words only. And what are those conjunctions words, or what are those linking words, or what are those joining words which help us to join the words? They are and, but, because. These three are some basic conjunctions or basic linking words which I am going to tell you how it can help us to join the words. Okay, because there are many conjunctions, many linking words or joining words which you have to learn. But in this video I am going to tell you only the basic three conjunctions or three linking words, how it helps us to join the words or to join the sentences. Okay, so what are the words I said that we are going to learn today? Very good, that is and, but, because. And, but, because. These three words are the joining words or linking words or conjunction words. It helps us to join the words or the sentences only. Clear? So let's learn about the and first, the conjunction or the linking word and first. How does the word and help us to join the words? So look at the box here. So there are three conjunctions or three linking words we are going to learn in this video. So let's learn one by one. First one, and. What is that? And. Okay. And. What is the word and used? It is used to join a word or join a sentence when it has a similar idea. When it has a similar idea. Similar idea means same ideas. Okay. When two words or two sentences talk about the same thing, no? When it's talk about the same thing, we merge itself, we link it together, we join it together with the help of and. Clear, children? When do we use the word and? When the two words, when the group of words or the two sentences or many sentences, when it talks about the similar sentence, similar idea, similar thing, singular meaning means there only we need to use the conjunction and. Clear? So example, here I have written we have a house. Okay, we have a house, we have a garden. We have a house, we have a garden. எங்க கிட்ட வந்து நாங்க வந்து ஒரு வீடு வச்சிருக்கோம். எங்க கிட்ட வீடு இருக்கு, எங்க கிட்ட கார்டன் இருக்கு. Okay, so here we are talking about the same thing only. See, when I say எங்க கிட்ட வீடு இருக்கு, எங்க கிட்ட கார்டன் இருக்கு, இது சொன்னா எப்படி இருக்கு? ஒரே விஷயத்தை தான் நான் ரெண்டு விதமா ரெண்டு டைம் சொல்றேன் பாருங்க. It has, this is one sentence and I am using one more sentence also. When but we can also write this in short with the help of conjunction. Now do you understand why does the conjunction or linking words are used to make the sentence short? See, in the sentence எங்க கிட்ட வீடு இருக்கு, எங்க கிட்ட garden இருக்கு, இது நான் தனித்தனியா சொல்லும்போது it takes two sentences. But when I join எங்க கிட்ட வீடு garden ரெண்டுமே இருக்கு அப்படி நான் சொல்லும்போது this sentences comes like in a short sentence, but it become a short sentence, it become a single sentence. How does we use? Where do I use this and? Let me tell you. See, we have a house, the first sentence completed, and the second sentence also if it is talking about the first sentence, second sentence to me first sentence பத்தி தான் பேசுது, அது கூட தான் அது ஏதோ ஒரு கனெக்ஷன் இருக்கு அப்படினு இருந்துச்சுனா நம்ம அங்க வந்து நம்ம and யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். We have a house, we have a garden. So here I am going to use, not am. Yeah, you also need to use whenever you are going to use the conjunction. No, you need to use whether it comes in the center only. Okay, basically it will come in the center. In the center only you are going to connect the words or connect the sentence only. So we have a house will come as it is. See, we have a house will come as it is. And now I am not going to put full stop because I am going to join the sentence. How? And if I use and, see, we have a house and எங்க கிட்ட house இருக்கு and means in Tamil I can say மற்றும். Okay, மற்றும் நம்ம சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, எங்க கிட்ட இது இருக்கு அதுவும் இருக்கு, நம்ம மற்றும் அதுவும் இருக்கு நம்ம சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா. So and stand for மற்றும் in Tamil. So we have a house and என்ன இருக்கு எங்க கிட்ட இன்னொன்னு, and we have a garden. We don't need to write we have a, simply I can write a garden. Okay, in place of writing the we have, I am going to remove this we have from the sentence. In place I am going to write only a garden. We have a house and a garden. Now read out this sentence. We have a house and a garden. எங்க கிட்ட ஒரு house, ஒரு வீடு இருக்கு மற்றும் ஒரு தோட்டமும் இருக்கு. கார்டன்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? தோட்டமும் இருக்கு. So now it becomes short, it becomes in single sentence only. We have shortened the two sentences into single sentences with the usage of the linking word and only. Now are you getting the idea of what is the meaning of and how to use? Yes, and talks about the similar ideas only. When the second sentence is also talking about the first sentence or the both words are related to the same idea means there only in between we are going to use the conjunction or the linking word and. Clear? Let's go for the second, that is but. What is that? But. But when do we use but? We can use but like when we are talking, when the sentence talks about the contrast idea. Contrast idea means the opposite idea. Okay, one sentence is talking about normal, one more is talking about the contrast, opposite of the first sentence, or else it will be talking about the problem. It can also talk about the problem. ஆனால் in Tamil, பட்னா தமிழ்ல வந்து ஆனா சொல்லுவோம். எப்போ நம்ம ஆனா யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் சொல்லுவோம், செகண்ட் சென்டென்ஸ் சொல்லும்போது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சென்டென்ஸ்க்கான ஒரு ப்ராப்ளமோ இல்லை அதுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டாக தான் நம்ம சொல்லுவோம். How? I'll tell you with the example. See, he studied well, he got low marks. அவன் நல்லா படிச்சான், அவன் வந்து லோ மார்க்ஸ் வாங்கினான். அவன் வந்து நல்லா படிச்சான், அவன் வந்து low marks வாங்கினான். Here they have given into the two sentences but the second sentence is also talking about the first sentence only. The second sentence is also talking about the first sentence only, right? It related to the first sentence only, but it's talk about the problem or else the contrast, opposite லைக் அவன் நல்லா படிச்சான், அவன் வந்து லோ மார்க் தான் வாங்கினான் அப்படின்னா, அவன் நல்லா படிச்சா ஆனாலும் அவன் வந்து கம்மியாக தான் மார்க் வாங்கினான் அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்கிறோம் பார்த்தீங்களா. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சென்டென்ஸ் சொல்லும் போது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சென்டென்ஸ் சொல்லிட்டு செகண்ட் சென்டென்ஸ் வந்து அதுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டாவோ இல்லை அதோடைய ப்ராப்ளம் பற்றி மாதிரி சொல்கிறதா இருந்தா அந்த இடத்துல நம்ம பட் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். Now the sentence will be like, see, he studied well. We need to write the first sentence as it is. He studied well. In the dot எடுத்துட்டு I am going to write but he studied well, but he got, all other words will come as it is, but he got low marks. Are you clear, children? When do we need to use but? First sentence you need to read out the two sentences. When the second sentence is talking about the opposite idea or the problem of the first sentence, no, then you need to use but to join these two sentences. Clear? ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் நீங்கள் ரெண்டு சென்டென்ஸ் இருக்குது, அது நீங்கள் படிக்கிறீங்க. செகண்ட் சென்டென்ஸ் படித்து பார்க்கும்போது பார்த்தா அது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சென்டென்ஸ் உடைய ப்ராப்ளமோ இல்லை அதுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டாக சொல்லுதுன்னா then you need to use but only. Now the sentence is like, he studied well but he got low marks. அவன் நல்லா படித்தான் ஆனாலும் அவன் வந்து கம்மியாக தான் மார்க் எடுத்தான். That is the meaning for this sentence. So whenever you get an word, whenever you need, you will reading the sentences, or you will be reading all the sentences. When you know that okay இங்க ஆனாதான் நம்ம போடணும், ஆமாம் அவ்வளோ பண்ணால் ஆனாலுமே அவனுக்கு வந்து இப்படி ஆச்சு, அவன் ஆனாலும் அவன் கம்மியாக தான் வாங்கினான். நம்ம தமிழ் நமக்கு தெரியும் போது in English now you know the word but stand for ஆனால். Clear? Okay, let's go for the third, that is because. Okay, because to give reason when we are talking when the two sentence in a sentences, okay, in the sentences, when the second sentence is going to give the reason about the first sentence, no, that we need to use because. Okay, let me tell you one example. See, I couldn't play, my ankle hurt. என்னால விளையாட முடியாது, என்னுடைய காலோடைய முட்டிற்கு என்னுடைய கால் வந்து எனக்கு அடிபட்டிருக்கு. ஓகேவா? ஆங்கிள் மீன்ஸ் இட்ஸ் ரெப்ரசன்டிங் காலோடைய கீழே, காலோடைய கீழ்ப்பகுதிக்கு அதுதான் நம்ம சொல்லுவோம், முட்டின்னு சொல்லலாம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஆங்கிள் மீன்ஸ் எஸ் திஸ் ஒன், குதிக்காலா கீழே ஃபீட்டுக்கு அபோவாக இருக்கிறது. ஓகேவா? என்னுடைய காலை நான் இன் சிம்பிளி ஐ கேன் சே மை லெக். ஓகே, மை ஆங்கிள் ஹர்ட். ஓகே, ஏன் பிகாஸ் உடைய தமிழ் மீனிங் வில் பி வாட், தட் இஸ் ஏன் என்றால். ஓகே, ஏன் என்றால், ஏன்னா நம்ம சொல்றோம் ஏன் என்றால். So whenever we are giving the reason in the second sentence, if the second sentence is going to give the reason for the first sentence, no, then you need to use because only. See, I couldn't play because my ankle hurt. என்னால விளையாட முடியாது, ஏன்னா என்னுடைய கால் வந்து அடிபட்டு இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? ஏன்னா நம்ம ஏன் என்றால் நம்ம சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, அந்த இடத்துல தான் நம்ம வந்து because யூஸ் பண்ணோம். ஓகேவா? Now this two sentence will become in a single sentence. See, the answer will be I couldn't play. Which conjunction I need to use? Because it talks about the reason. It gives the reason because my ankle hurt. Clear? I couldn't play because my ankle hurt. Here இந்த dot எடுத்துட்டு இங்க நான் வந்து சென்டர்ல நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா சென்டர்ல தான் I have used the linking words only. Okay, so whenever you read a sentence, when the question is asking you to join a sentence, means first you need to read out both the sentences and you need to get the meaning of the sentences and then find out whether if the sentence is talking, if the second sentence is talking about the similar idea only, same thing only, means there only you need to use and. When the second sentence talk about the opposite idea or the problem of the first sentence, no, then you need to use but. When the second sentence is talking about the reason of, for the first sentence, no, there only you need to use because. So children, so we have learned about the conjunctions or linking words. What is linking word or what is conjunction we have learned, and also we have learned about the three conjunction or three linking words. They are and, but, because. So what is conjunction? Conjunctions are used to join words or sentences. Linking words are used to join words or sentences only. So I hope you are clear with this topic. see you in the next video.